Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Michael. So thank you guys for joining me and checking this out. And I hope you guys are having a prosperous year. Yes, it's crazy, but just praying individually, things are going well for you. So I'm gonna just jump right in and show you what I got. So this is Black History Month is next month, and they had a lot of things on sale, so I'll show you that in just a second. But they did have a special on two of the little mini frames for $6.99. So I got this one. I can use this one to house an ATC. And the back look like it's coming loose. But anyway, so this is 2.5 by 2.5 by 3.5. So you can clip on an ASQ right there. Lord have mercy. An ATC. That's what ASQ is attached. Then this one is a 2 by 3. And it rotates around. So, I don't know, I was in the mood for frames. So I got those little teeny ones. They were on sale. I went in there to go get the art light. I need it for my old tall one. I'm hoping this works, and I think it may be the unit. I'm not sure, but they end up, this, I wasn't expecting it to bring up half price. So, yay, because these things are like, what, 33 bucks. So I think I got it for 17, so that was good. I ended up getting this little gear set for decorations. I went to a different Michaels, and they had more embellishments and metals and stuff than my Michaels, so I got all three of those. Also got some more blades. And then I went and I got another Jelly Roll pen. I don't know why I got another one. I already have these are Sakura pens, but I got another one. And then the rest I got was the Black History items that they started carrying, which is new. Got this, I think it's really important for kids to learn all history instead of just, limited, skewed history. So this is about some biographies. They can draw a picture of the heroes, birthday, born where, died, whatever the accomplishments. So my daughter likes to give my grandson extra work. He's not too pleased about that, but she's just like me. She likes to give extra schoolwork. It's funny because she didn't like doing it when I gave it to her, but now she really appreciates it as a mother. So she's passed that tradition down to her son. So they had the different ribbon. I don't have any project in mind particularly, but first time seeing it, not sure they'll carry it again next year, but these were all $3.99. Even the smaller row. One thing I will say, when you get your stuff rung up, the cashier wasn't paying attention, the other cashier, because my cashier was just ringing them, and I didn't say anything about the prices, but this other lady came over and said, they're ringing up the wrong prices, they're the wrong prices. They're ringing up the Canadian prices. So these have two prices on them. Well, the ribbon actually looks like it only has one, but the other items have a Canadian price and an American price. So just make sure if you do get those, that you get the cheaper price. But these were all $3.99, and I got them because, again, gorgeous prints. Just like a lot of people don't know, tie-dye actually comes from Africa. I want to say, and I'll probably get the wrong country because I can't remember, it was Kenya or Ghana, but they came with tie-dye first, and that came to the United States on behalf of the motherland. But they had these wood plaques. They also had canvases that you can paint. They have 4 different designs, and it came with on the back was the palette and the paints to paint 4 different designs. They had 6 different t-shirts. They also had the vinyl, which I didn't get the vinyl. I should have went and got the vinyl, but they had, I think, 4 different designs in the vinyl. But anyway, they had 4 different designs in the wood. So this is the silhouette of a woman's hair and her face. This one is of Africa, and I'm going to trace these before I do anything to these. I debated on getting this one. I really didn't need anything for it, but I decided to get it since I got all the other 3. And they may never be there again. Maybe I can get my grandson to do something with that one. And my other friend picked this up for me. Hey, Donna. And she got this for me. Yay, thank you. Because my store was out of them. They were just putting them up there like they disappeared like that, literally. So Donna and I was on the phone talking when I was getting them. I ended up getting all of these. These were the remnants, rather. They have the bigger quarters. I think it's like 72 inches or whatever for $7.99 each. I just got these. These were 18 inches by 21 inches. And as you can see, there's 2 prices, $159 and $239. so she was, for some reason the 239 was coming up, and I don't know, they had to go back and take it back out to make sure it was getting the American price. So just make sure you check that. So these are 4 different ones. There may be some additional ones out there, but these are 4 different designs that I saw. Cannot wait to use them, because you know I'm going to use these on my JM, my Julie Nutties, my Rubbernecker stamps. So I got some ideas for these. So I'm excited to play with these. I may have to go back and order some more. Then when I was talking to Donna, she was like, she got these borders. So these are another ones that ring up wrong. They will ring up $2.99. If you don't catch it, it should be $1.99. But I was like, well, I don't need these. She was like, yeah, but you can use these to die cut, to punch. And I was like, darn, you're right. And there's 14 strips in here. Yeah. So again, you can use these in so many different ways, just to get that print. So that made me jump up and get these, because I was thinking bottle caps, blah, blah, blah. And I'm sure, you know, you can make a lot of things with these. So these came up again. Make sure you check the price. Instead of $1.99, it should come up 99 cents. So I got those as well. So, and I think the t-shirts had some of these sentiments and designs on them, so it's the same thing to paint. So that is my haul from Michael. So I was excited to look for these upcoming projects. Excited to get those, and just they had these, and these are all wired rim ribbon except for this one. But you can make some wreaths, some hair out of it. I know people have seen those big wreaths that they have on the door. So many different things. Just nice decorative boxes as well. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.